Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add new instruments in your MT4 trading platform. On the left side we have symbols. If you can't see these symbols for any reason, you need to turn on the market watch button. You see, I'm turning it off, and if you have something like this, you just need to turn it on and you will have all symbols in your left side. In order to add new instruments in your trading platform, there are two ways to access all symbols. The easiest way is to go on the list, click anywhere on the list with a right click, then we will get this menu. From the menu we need to pick symbols, and from the symbols we cannot add anything that we want. Another way is to go on view and pick the symbols, and we will get the same window. On this list, each broker will include everything that they offering. In most cases, they will offer something like 95% of all markets. So this broker is offering like crypto, all kind of forex currency pairs, energy, bonds, metals, indexes, futures, commodities, and so on. So let's say we want to add gold. Since I don't have the gold on my symbol list and I want to trade gold, I need to go to the metals, then find the gold. When we find the gold, we need to click on the gold and then pick the show option. So as soon we click the show, the gold will appear on our symbol list. After you add all instruments that you want, you can close the window. And let's see, where is our gold? It's here. So right now we can apply it on the chart, pick any of our favorite templates, and we include gold. If you want to exclude any of the instruments from the symbol lists, we are going through the same process. We will use right click to access all symbols. Then we are going to find the instrument that we want to exclude, left click on that instrument, then click hide. After we close the window, the instrument that we pick, in this case it was gold, it's just disappear from the symbol list. Let's add the gold again. It's easy. Right click, symbols, we need to click on the gold, then show, close, and the gold is on the symbol list again. Simple as that. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you next time.